India Today Media Institute's convocation ceremony. Respected presiding dignitary of our convocation ceremony, Chief HR Officer, India Today Group, and COO of ITMI, Ms. Purva Misra Ma'am, Dean and Director of ITMI, Dr. DJ Pati Sir, my colleagues, respected members of HR, and very, very dear students. What a proud day. We just couldn't be happier for you. Congratulations on your well-deserved success. Convocation is an emotional moment for not only the students, but also for the parents, their mentors, who have put in their effort and soul in shaping their future. सो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आप सब लोगों को। ये एक यादगार लम्हा है जिसका हम सब लोगों ने बहुत बेसब्री से इंतज़ार किया है। कैन वी ऑल हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अपलॉज फॉर द ग्रेजुएट्स। I would now request Dean Sir to kindly initiate the process of opening the convocation.
Hello. Ma'am, I request you to initiate the process. You have to say that line.
Yes. Well, I'm very happy to say this line because we've been waiting for this moment for a long time and the pandemic has stopped us. So it's with a lot of happiness and a lot of honor that I say, I declare the convocation open.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Dean Sir to kindly welcome our graduates.
Respected Madam Purva Misra, CHRO India Today Group, Chief Operating Officer India Today Media Institute, my esteemed colleague, team member, Team ITMI, members of HR, admin, my dear graduates. Indeed, it's a great privilege to have all of you. In my ward, I'm very emotional today because each one of you are also the Corona warriors. Your internship was started and kind of your juniors are having their course. That kind of situation when pandemic, kind of situation arises in the country. So lot of, situational or circumstantial things all of us having in our memory lane. But notwithstanding that part, but then each one of you put your best, give your best, and each one of you made us proud. ITMI is yours. India Today Media Institute's real ownership is with you. It is your alma mater, and today onwards, each one of you are going to be called as our alumni. So you are the distinguished guest, each one of you my heroes, and indeed I'm very proud having that the word call, each one of you created ITMI marching towards the next level. It is your batch where we initiated another course which we are next year going to have them, visual communication and infographics, and then another course that we added called digital media and communication. So now we are, India Today Media Institute is now considered to be the multi-speciality teaching institution in the country in the media and entertainment sector. Around 19 cities are represented in our campus. The current data which has been given to me by the admission, 75 cities the students are coming. So it's like a mini India. And now the new courses and the areas that have emerged like School of Media Convergence and Broadcast Journalism, School of Media and Entertainment Management, School of Visual Communication and Digital Infographics, School of Digital Media and Communication, and School of Applied Communications and Liberal Arts. So we are very delighted with your success, your achievements, your accolades, because each one of you have stood consistent with your career path, your goal, And I mean, that's a kind of great moral strength for us. The philosophy of these institutions believe in nurturing talent and innovating future in true sense to groom the young mind. And indeed, all of you are the example. Now, I just reminded you one line. If you take back to your memory lane when you have joined this course, the same room that the orientation was done. And today, we call the convocation in Vedic word called Dikshant. So, Dikshant Samaro. So, from the Rig Vedic civilizations, it is the process from the scriptural part of the Nalanda. In Indian context, we have seen how the convocations, processions, and the processes are being followed. I am quite having that pride that till date, more than 935 universities in the country have maintained it, nurturing it, and developing it. So, we are also now having that kind of privilege that looking at the market perspective, we are moving towards new methodology and the pedagogic innovations, new market perspectives, aligning with how the market aspirations are going to be met, changing the ITMI into 2021 mission statement, changing into called practice school. So, we are working on it, and institutional goal, the objective with discipline, blending with modernity, blending modernity with tradition. That is the holistic point that we are working on. The campus is also now geared up with having good infrastructural facility, and we are adding towards moving in having the smart classrooms. So, there are, I mean, the few points I could mention that way briefly, because I don't want to take much time because you are already late, and my sincere apology because of some ongoing meeting we got delayed. But I just will tell you one thing, each one of you, we have to have that kind of promise with us, which all your parents have seen the dream, and each one of you also have performed so far. Be a good human being. That is the only pointer in today's auspicious occasion in your life. I must tell you, be a good human being, and then you are a good professional, and third, you can be a good, citizen of this country. So, this is the kind of ethos or the objective we are believing in, we are working in, and we need your support, because your involvement into the entire academic process will help us to also reshaping the different kind of the curriculum need and requirements, and with lot of innovative practices. With these words, I compliment each one of you, and I am also complimenting all your parents. Only one liner, actually I am little disappointed that way, because the toppers, those are going to be awarded today of having their academic excellence, their parents are not able to come because of the sudden developments which all of us are now looking at the different news channels or the reviews that are coming, the Omicron. However, but I believe that life should move on, going on, and we should also try our best to meeting all prerequisites, how we could do it, and I mean follow that kind of rule of law. But I am quite happy that 2019 convocation is happening. We are already 2 years delayed, and again your junior batch is also now ready to have their convocation. My best wishes to each one of you, and may God bless you all. Thank you so much.